What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some garlicky shrimp, we have some crispy bacon, and guess what? It is smothered. And when I say smothered, I mean smothered in some creamy Parmesan sauce. I'm about to show you how it's done, guys. It's so delicious. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. So we're gonna begin by crispying up this bacon, guys. And you know, when it comes to bacon, the more the merrier. You can go crazy. When I say crazy, you can go really crazy if you want to and put a whole lot of bacon. It's kind of up to you how much you want to put, but you're gonna kind of let it cook, do its thing, get nice and crispy, guys. And this recipe, guys, it goes well with everything. You can pair it up with some pasta, you can pair it up with some rice, you can pair it up with almost anything, guys. It's just amazing. You're gonna love it, I promise you. So once your bacon is fully cooked, you want to remove it and drop in your butter. All the exact measurements and whatnot are gonna be down in the description below. Once I have that bacon melted up, I'm gonna drop in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You're gonna see me drop that in shortly. So you want to go ahead and give that a stir just like so. Get it all mixed up. And once we have our garlic kind of going and sizzling, we're gonna then move our attention to our shrimp. We have about a pound of Argentine shrimp that is already peeled and deveined. But any shrimp that you come across will be perfect for this recipe. This is about, I would say, a pound of shrimp, like I said. And we're just gonna let it do its thing. We're gonna also drizzle in, or I should say sprinkle in, a little bit of salt and pepper as well. And we're gonna fully cook this shrimp. Just get it nice and delicious. Give it a nice little toss here and there and fully cook the shrimp. Once our shrimp is fully cooked, we are going to remove it from the heat and move on to the next step. So now that we have our shrimp removed in the same pan, you want to go ahead and add half a cup of chicken broth. You want to also add half a cup of heavy cream. We're going to also add about, I would say, a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, or you could go all the way up to a half a cup if you want. And I did go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of more salt and pepper in there as well. And we're not done there. You're gonna also add about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Once you have all those ingredients in there, you want to get this to a simmer and stir occasionally, just like so. Get it to a nice little simmer. Get that sauce all thickened up. And once that sauce is thickened up, we're gonna then reincorporate our shrimp as well as our bacon. So now it's about time to reincorporate our shrimp into our sauce. So we're gonna get these bad boys up in there, and you know we can't forget the bacon. Gotta get that in there as well. And we're gonna let this simmer probably for about an additional 1 minute after we get everything in there. We're gonna give it a nice little stir, get all of the flavors talking to each other and whatnot, and then we're gonna just remove it from the heat and then start plating, guys. And like I said, this goes perfect with some pasta, guys. This will make an amazing pasta, guys. The reason why I didn't, pair it up, because you can pair it up with so many things, guys. It's not just pasta. It could be rice. It could be, mashed potatoes. It could be pretty much any side dish you want. You could pair it up with this creamy, garlicky, bacony shrimp, guys. You could pair it up with everything, guys, and it is so easy yet so delicious, guys. As you see, look at the simmer. It looks amazing, tastes amazing, smells amazing. My goodness, guys. And this is the end result. You can go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of parsley on top for the presentation, guys, and just go to work and bust down, start eating, digging in. No need to wait, guys. This is off the hook, so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can't wait for you guys to try this recipe out for yourself, and I will see you on the next video. Deuces.